We're gonna be doing a little bit of duck hunting today, but we got plenty of shotguns to choose from, so we're just gonna see which one's the best for the job. So we got 5 12 gauges out here today. What we're gonna do is we're gonna see which one's the best bang for your buck, no pun intended. We've got the Brown and Gold Hunter 12 gauge, we got the Mossberg 500 pump 12 gauge, the Mossberg 835 pump 12 gauge, the Remington 1100 semi 12 gauge, and the Remington Versamax. And these are in no particular order right now, but what we're going to do is we're going to see which one is the most capable 12 gauge out of these 5. These are very common 12 gauges, so we're just going to see. And let's get out there and shoot! The Mossberg holds 6. The other Mossberg also holds 6. Brown holds 4.
Yeah, it holds 4.
The Versamax holds 4. How much does this hold?
2. 3.
2?
3.
This holds 3? We're not going to fully load them because basically what we're going to do is going to see how far we can throw these guns. Whichever one I can throw the furthest. I'm going to throw Will's Brown in real quick.
Hey, no.
Hey, don't throw that gun, boy! Hey, don't throw that gun! Hey, man, what are you doing? That was a $5,000 gun right there. That was pretty tough.
I was surprised when he threw it, but I mean, I guess it'll be alright. I'll just buy another one. He threw it pretty far, so I guess it had some momentum behind it. So
due to popular opinion, I think we're going to take a more scientific approach to this. We're going to load them up as much as we can get in and put them on a scale, because that's going to simulate going out into the field with your shotgun, seeing how much it weighs. So what kind of load we're going to put in there, you know? Well, 500 weighs 7.8 pounds. Fully loaded Mossberg 500 weighs 8.4 pounds. Brown weighs 8.8 pounds. Versamax weighs 9.0. The Remington 1100 weighs 8.0 pounds. 8 flat. See, as you can see, I got my hearing protection on my neck. Getting ready to shoot all 5 of these. Good buddy here came up with a good idea. I'm gonna bust some fruit. It's a little bit more exciting than your average target, I guess. So we're at 15 yards right now, and I'm gonna see, and we're going to time, see how accurate and how fast each one of these guns can be with 4 targets, trying to simulate small game here. So that's the next category. Which is the best small game gun? Speed, accuracy, and lethal shooting them.
Mossberg 500. 3, 2, 1. Mossberg 835. 3, 2, 1. Browning. 3, 2, 1. Versamax. 3, 2, 1.
Now with the Remington 1100, we're only going to be able to fit 3 in there. So I'm going to have to shoot them and then manually load in the 3rd one and then release it and then shoot the last target. So we'll see how that turns out. I'm expecting a little bit of slower shot.
Remington 1100. 3, 2, 1.
we got. I'm not gonna do this one, but we're about to see about waterfowl, how good these guns do with them. So I'm gonna be talking to these skeet up there. Let him shoot them, cause that's his forte. So sling these thing up. We're gonna do best of 3, all 5 guns. Tally them up. Whoever has the best sum is the best waterfowl gun. Simple as that. 3 of 3. Get them, you get them. Let's do it. Browning. Oh. Versamax, 3 for 3. Oh. Woo, 2. 835. Oh. Mossberg 500. Oh. No. Remington 1100. Oh. Heck no! Heck no! I bet I wanted to shoot skeet, but Brady's a little bit better than I am, so I'll let him do it. So gonna be looking at the spread, 25 yards out. My him's gonna take turns shooting double aught buckshot, high brass. So he's gonna go ahead and put one in there. Job. Gonna walk up in here, put these out on the table, and check out the spread. Go ahead. This is the Mossberg 500. Pattern was bottom center. It was pretty decent. 835. A little bit high and right. It's also pretty decent. This is the Browning, high and right. Decent. Is the Versamax, center left. Decent. And it's the 1100. That's about center. That's barely left. That's about center. And that is tight. So now that we've done all the experiments on the different guns, let's go review the data and see if we got a winner. What are you looking at, dude? Big yellow duck. We're almost there. So the winner, after we reviewed the data, we determined that it is in fact not the Versamax, but the 1100 was better in just about every category except for capacity. And if you watch the video real close, you know that it shot slow on the small game thing because we had to load in that extra shell. But if you watch that thing, boy, them first 3 shots, that's about the quickest shotgun we had out there. So that 1100, boy, it might not be the cheapest thing on this list, but it ain't the most expensive, and it was the most consistent in everything that we tested. Go get you one. That's my advice. Go get you one, maybe 2. Alright? Alright?